I think that green bar, you can't see it right down here. My separator, I think that makes it hard to read the proper .live. I might have to change that to blue. The contrast, I think, between red and green is a little hard.
Just bring the microphone up. So as I was giving my game some thought, I realized that it's possible to buy the same weapon twice. I'll test this out too while I'm at it, but possible to buy the same weapon twice and have it in 2 different spots. Also, I don't know what happens if I purchase the energy. Like, does it try to put it in a slot? I don't hold it, right? So wait before it comes available, and then I got it. Okay, so it didn't fill a slot up here. Okay, scrolling doesn't do anything. Oh, the variable slot 2, inventory slot 2 of player inventory has not been assigned. So I might need a null check there. And it did shoot when I tried to select that, if you saw. Oh. Okay, well. Go click this. I shouldn't shoot when the mouse is over one of those. Okay, so that's not what I want to happen. The guns are going to have ammo, and purchasing a gun that you already have only replenishes its ammo. That's the goal. That was a nice ricochet. Oof. They should be exploding on contact, but they are not. Weird. So that's a bug. So some things to fix. Let's go to the projectile first. And the sprite render I want to destroy self. No. Let's edit this script. Should have started up Visual Studio before I started stream, but get layer collision mask, this game objects layer. If I remember correctly, that means it's going to go over here. It is 2D, right? Was it the project settings? Physics 2D. And this layer mask is projectile. I believe let's move this up. I believe the map tiles are default, right? Mm-hmm. So if I did not collide with a layer that I am meant to explode when I hit it, let's console log the layer that I did collide with. How about we debug .log collision.gameObject.layer.toString. Oh, I gotta get it. Is it debugging 0? That's the index. So we want to do layer mask dot layer to name. Like that. That'll give us a name then. Wait for it to spawn. Maybe I should drop a gun there at the beginning. Okay, so it says default. Failed to write value of type item when using fallback writer. I don't know what that is. Packer. Item is not registered. I wonder if I should be concerned. Maybe. We'll see. So it is writing default, which is the default layer. The projectile is a projectile layer. Doesn't have anything special in its overrides. And in the project settings, projectile. Oh, it's not set. Wait, yeah. Default collides with projectile. Does this math not work with a 0? If colliders is an int and that doesn't equal 0, I wonder if that's it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, just simply in the tile map, I'm going to add a layer right here, I'm just gonna call it tiles. Or solids. How about solids? And I don't know if it's too late to move it around. Yeah, I don't have a handle thing to move it, so I guess that stays where it stays. Okay, and then for platforms, oh, I wonder what happened there. That's probably why it didn't work. Ladders is ladders. Oh, platforms is... Can I undo that? Okay. Solids is the one I want to change to solids. And then I'll go back into the project settings and make sure solids collides with default. I'm sorry, with projectiles. Which it does. I don't really care about solids colliding with anything else, but maybe I should not allow that. Well, I don't use water, but I might. Player collides with solids. So does the alien, so does interactables fine. Other solids do as well. And then solids collide with not the camera border, not in-game user interface. It does collide with projectiles, and not ladders, and other solids. I do have to wonder though, over here, ground layer mask. I'm going to add solids to it. So I lost my ability to jump, and that's fine. I think if I remove default and I just had one, that might work. If not, I'll have to go investigate the can jump. Yeah. And that's in... Let's see, the player has a area check script. Oh. And it has its layers here, ground layer. I wonder if I should have used the environment. I think that fixes it though. We shall see. Yeah, I can jump down. I should be able to climb ladders just fine. Okay. And then we should be able to buy this gun. And the gun should be able to shoot at the platform and destroy itself when it hits the platform. Yeah, okay. One thing I don't know if I did yet is make that disappear after a while. Five seconds is kind of a long time. So it does not. This also. What are we doing here? is a pernet error. Item is not registered. I might have to look that up. Type item is not registered. So when does it happen? I'll add this to my notes. It's twice each time. I what if that means that the other player doesn't have this weapon? No, I don't have to debug that anymore since I got that working. Okay, let's go to my notes. Cross network, there's a pernet error involving the item class. Is there a checkbox? Or a shape? Oh, I could just do like this. Find an empty box that is not checked or anything like that. It'd be nice if it's just a blue one. Let's use this one. Why am I not doing it though? Can I not put emojis in here? That's sad. Oh, I put that there. Ah. So does that mean I do get the box now? Make vending machines remember who purchased it across the network, question mark. So here, things I plan on doing right now. When purchasing a gun that we are already holding, don't replace anything with it, just refill the ammo. What was the other thing? Maybe it'll come to me. Oh, do I want to do while I'm in front of the vending machine, I need to be holding E to have that menu up? Like right now, if I let go, it stays until I exit. But I think holding E and shooting would be a good way to make sure that I don't shoot. Also, after making a purchase, should the vending machine forget who I am? So basically, when you make a purchase, because you didn't move out of the way, you can't bring it back up until you leave and come back in to reset. And I think that is just a simple I think I set like this character to null after I make the purchase. If we have this item in the vending status and the user presses E, give them the item. On trigger exit, the character is null. But there is nothing else that sets this character to null. And it is a private variable, so that doesn't mean it can be set anywhere else. Only on trigger exit. I don't think that's possible to be inside here and PC not to equal null. Okay, so let's go with interact 1 and 2. Oh, you know why it's not showing up? Because press E is null. So when I walk in front, I get to press E. here. So when I make the purchase, I should also reinstate the press E thing. And it is if get key down, so that means on that frame. This item equals spending slot get item, and then I assign it to the player, right? No, that's not here. That's instantiating the item. If item displayed is true, this is the purchasing of it. If we have the item in vending status and the user presses E, okay, here it is. So this is where we would say that. And do I have to set the state? Oh, I did right there. Okay. So buy that, wait for it to vend so I can take it. Right, okay, and then I got the E thing back, and now I can purchase another weapon without having to leave and come back. Cool. So now that I'm going to receive this item, so what do you think? Should every gun that you purchase fresh from the vending machine have full ammo, as much ammo as you could ever have? And so purchasing a gun from the vending machine that you already have just makes your ammo equal that ammo, or add it? I'm leaning towards making it equal that ammo. Oh. That's also if it's a gun. If we already have the item in our inventory, we'll say slot 1, refill the ammo. Oops. Then we'll say else if, and this is this, put slot 2. a gun. Okay. I'm trying to remember where the slots are. Is it in here? Player inventory class. Okay. Does it not know the player inventory class? So we're going to do a private player inventory. And player inventory should be, I'm hoping it's not using a singleton, it's not. So this, then end start equals this. So if slot 1, and what is the slot? It's a game object. We're going to do get component. Name. And then item dot gonna have to investigate. Okay, so this is a name, but I think if I get it, it might be called a clone. So the collectible, if we get the collectible and we get the item, does the item equal the item? So player inventory slot 1 dot get component item collectible dot item. Is there a name? Okay, cool. That equals item dot name. What am I getting sent? Or lowercase item. I hope that's right. I don't have ammo yet. And that's gonna be really sad if you buy a weapon that has infinite ammo and you buy it. Maybe those ones will be like the wielding or something. Okay, so basically here though, at this point, I should be able to buy a gun I don't have, and if I try to buy a gun I do have, is it gonna go away? Because I'm not calling collect. I'm not calling on collect. There are errors. So buy that, wait for it to appear. Okay, and then buy another one. Cool, I did not get it. Failed to write value of type item. Man, I wonder if it's because I try to use it as a network variable. Is that? Is it this one? No. It's these sync vars, right? But it's not there that I do it. Is it in collectible or gun base? That's a mono behavior, so it wouldn't be there. Gun base is a collectible that reverts back to there, so that's not right either. Is it not? Surely it's not an item, right? Right. And it can't be on the upper levels. Player character is a network behavior. It only has those two sync vars though. There's player movement, but I don't think that's it. I kind of wish it would tell me what one of my scripts is causing it to have that error. Nope. It is when the gun appears. Is the vending machine? Is that what I did? Is I changed the vending machine to a network behavior? Okay. And that was basically to show everybody else that it was bought a ready item. And I thought that that was not a thing. Maybe I have to register item, like the error says. Type item is not registered. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it today. Actually, what I should do is check the Discord. Yeah, looks correct. Is that the same person? No, I need to look into why that would happen. Also, you might be able to get away with... Oh, that's recent. Register network type of that. I think that means the right attribute name. To get Pernet to auto-generate it for you, but it has to be put on any class. So does that mean in my item? Oops, item like that, and then probably need to include, I am using Pernet here, so generate, nope, crud. Does it have to be put on a network behavior? Does it go inside? Oh, is he replying to... It is not registered. Yeah, it looks correct. You might be able to get away with this. Oh, well... Oh. Base ability state, is that one of his? Okay. I think then where I try to assign this, is it above this method? It's not update, right? It is. But it's not a variable that's passed. By any reference. So can I just say register network type of in the item class though. So maybe register network type, cool. Type of, and do I have to do this? Item. Nope, still got it. Failed to write value of type item. Although it didn't give me an error. Maybe it just doesn't go here. Let's go with the vending machine. And does it go up here? Or it should maybe go on a collectible or something. Yeah, that's not working there either. Like I said, I'm not going to use too much time on it. I will, though. I do that.